Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into 3 of the most powerful compound movements in strength training: barbell squats, barbell lunges, and deadlifts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, these exercises are essential tools for building strength, balance, and functional muscle. Section 1: Barbell Squat. Let's start with the king of all lifts, the barbell back squat. This movement primarily targets the quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. It's a full-body challenge that also trains your posture and stability. Form breakdown. Set the bar just below shoulder height in a squat rack. Step under the bar, resting it across your upper traps, not your neck. Unrack the bar, take a step back, feet shoulder width apart. Brace your core, sit your hips back, and squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground or deeper if you have the mobility. Drive through your heels to stand back up. Why it matters. Barbell squats build raw lower body power, improve core stability, and carry over to athletic performance in almost every sport. Section 2: Barbell lunges. Next up, barbell lunges. Lunges introduce a unilateral element, meaning you're training one leg at a time. This is great for fixing imbalances and strengthening stabilizer muscles. How to perform. Start with the barbell on your back, just like a squat. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. The back knee should hover just above the floor. Push back up through the front heel and return to standing. Key benefits: improves balance, coordination, and single leg strength. Targets quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Reduces injury risk by strengthening each leg independently. Pro tip: keep your torso upright and avoid letting your front knee track too far over the toes. Section 3: Deadlift. Finally, we have the deadlift, arguably the best full body strength builder. What does it work? Deadlifts hit the glutes, hamstrings, lower back, traps, and even the grip. This lift is all about raw power and proper technique. Proper form. Stand with feet hip width apart, bar over midfoot. Hinge at the hips, grip the bar just outside your knees. Keep your back flat, chest up, and shoulders over the bar. Drive through your heels, pulling the bar close to your body as you stand tall. Don't overextend at the top, just lock out and reset. Why deadlifts? They translate to real-world strength: lifting groceries, moving furniture, carrying kids. They build muscle and burn calories like few other lifts. So there you have it: barbell squats, barbell lunges, and deadlifts are 3 foundational movements that should be in every serious training program. Focus on form, progress gradually, and stay consistent. Master these, and you'll be well on your way to building serious strength, power, and confidence. Thanks for tuning in. Now go lift strong.